Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, June the 11th. This is a series where we like to show you things you can expect to see from us here at For the Fabric Studio. This week we opened quite a few boxes, so I hope you stick around to enjoy that. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for watching and checking out this channel. Everything I find that is in this video, I will link in the description below, so you can go check out all those links. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button if you're new here with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we'll see you next week.